Hi, my name is Billy Kleina. I am the JV bowling captain. And my favorite thing about bowling is the amount of fun memories that you're going to make throughout the entire season. The entire program or sport activity within itself is a very great and fun thing to do over the winter during the October to January months. There are multiple types of bowlers. There are two-handers, one-handed hookers, or people who just bowl straight in general. And they're all welcome on the team. And my favorite thing I'd like to mention about bowling is how easy it is to pick up. You can easily get on the team. Very little people get cut from the team. And even if you don't think you're going to be the best bowler, trust me, it's very easy to get a 100 average, just like starting out. It should only take like a month, maybe even a few weeks. So there's practice. We love to practice Monday through Thursday. It may seem like a lot of time. It does take quite a bit of your time, but it's only right after school until like 5:15. We usually like to be back at school at 5:30, maybe even 5:15.